Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. So, ayan. Another video, a very cute color. Welcome to my channel. I have here, panties, bikinis again. But this one is different naman. Iba na to siya sa mga nauna kong binili. Okay? So, I bought this from the mall. Ayan, doon to sa mall ko nabili. And then, okay, let's talk about this yellow, my favorite color. Ayan, pak. Nindot ni siya guys because ano siya, XXL na to, XXL. Okay, and then ang size po niya, the size is, wait ha, tanawa na to. XXL, and then 36 pesos na siya, less than $1. Let's remove this. So, kailangan pa na ito i-cut kasi masira ng tuluyan. I need a scissor for this. Okay, no need. So, eto nga siya. Parang ang laki. Ang laki. Pero, actually, this one is like this talaga siya. So, malaki talaga. But, look at this, guys. Very, elastic. What is it? Basta maano siya, parang goma. Looks like, see, maganda siya. And then, I really like this because hindi siya kakapit. Hindi to siya babakas. Okay? This is nice for if you are wearing small short like that. So, this is another panty. Pero may purpose na talaga siya. If you wear dress, ganyan itong panty, it should be like this. So, big. Oo. Parang, lahat ng puwet mo. I like the, ayan, tanawa. Maganda siya, no? Ang laki. I think this is big to me. Okay? Basta, na lang natin to. XXL kasi yung mga nandun. And this one naman, mint green. This is mint green, guys. I really like it. Ayan. I like the colors. Very cute one. XXL po din siya. So, let's remove this. And then, maganda po siya. It's just nice also. Tanawa. This is fit, okay? If you are wearing some very short very short like alam mo yung palda, yeah, the skirt, this is nice also. You can wear this, and leggings also kasi hindi siya babakat sa harap. Very nice. Ayan, quality is good for 36 pesos. So guys, let's try this na para ayan. Comment below guys kung gusto nyo kulay ha. You comment below if you like the color, okay? Which one is better? The yellow is my favorite of course. So let's, guys, it's very big. Dapat kasi kapit na kapit siya. So this one is big for me. Ayan. Una guys, this is big. Wow. So ang gagawin ko ay wala. I think I don't want to wear this because it's big. See, dapat it should be like tight like this. Yung parang it should be tight, pero this is big, okay? I'm sorry. It's big. Tapos parang hindi ko siya, it should be like this actually. It's at saka sobrang nipis niya. Pero I like the texture of this, but it is big and I can say I don't want to wear this. Yeah. It's big. Pero wala. Big talaga siya eh. Right? It's big. But anyway, ayan. Suot natin yung isa. Tanawa natin. Oh. Guys, ayan. Ang isa po. Malaki. Para sila malaki. Same sila malaki. But anyway. Nice. Hindi ko to siya masusuot kasi parang ano pa ni siya talaga. Parang pang malaki talaga ni siya. Hindi ko siya ganun kagusto. It is big for me. Oh, how I wish next time we will buy, ha? Dapat Yeah, tsaka very thin siya. I like this one, though, I like this color and also this kind of materials. The problem is, I bought big. Okay, big siya. So, wala. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.